out to Mustang. We got this RX-7 out here. Beautiful wheels. I don't know if they're real or if they're forgot the name of the rotors, but badass. I love the ones when they have the step-up lip, and I feel like it really fits the RX-7. Nice as hell. We got the Z lineup out here. All Z's. One day I'll have a Z. Just right now they're too expensive. But one day I'm gonna have one of. Let's finish the line. This is the last one. God damn. Got that cold start. Look at this GTR, guys. Look at them big old tires in the back. You see it's pushing like 800. Look at that. Alright. Look at this. Look at the tiles up in there, boost logic. Very nice, man. If only we could hear it running, but here it's SRT4. You don't see a lot of SRT4s nowadays. You got that turbo back there. I would say the hood exit, but that's more like a windshield exit. Hey man, I haven't seen a clean SRT4 in a while. Gutted interior. I like these cars. I've always liked these cars. You just don't see a lot of them well done. A lot of them around here are kind of raggedy, but this one's actually pretty clean, man. Damn, holy diffuser. It's a wild ass diffuser. Looks good though. It's not too crazy. Maybe a little. GS. I love you, GS. It's clean too. Oh, it has a little intake. Some headers back there. We gotta show love for the NA2Js too. Got that boy's drift missile out here. Somehow one piece today. We got a FRS. I want one. I want an FRS, but I want to do a very special swap onto one of them. Then we have the boys 240. Yeah, definitely one day we're gonna own an FRS and we're gonna do a crazy swap on it. You guys are gonna see. Look at this. Right here. The nice kind of, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's kind of like a purple, like a dark purple. Yeah, at least on the screen looks like it's picking it up pretty decent, but looks pretty good. Just caught my eye. I think it's super nice. I love the two ISs. I considered getting one as a daily, but they are a little bit older than I would like, so ruled it out. But damn, man, I love how they look. And this one's super clean. Definitely super clean, man. Well, damn, just a random FD going by. Keep that FD.